I've been exploring the MasterClass membership for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the MasterClass membership. First, let's look at what MasterClass promises. The platform promotes itself as a space where you can learn from the best in the world, from cooking with Gordon Ramsay to filmmaking with Martin Scorsese or writing with Margaret Atwood. Each class is taught by an industry leader, and the production quality is cinematic, which makes learning feel engaging and premium. For anyone who enjoys high-quality content and insights directly from experts, this is where MasterClass shines. But is it worth the membership cost? MasterClass operates on an annual subscription, giving you access to all classes for one price. This can be appealing if you're someone who plans to explore multiple topics throughout the year, rather than paying per course. The platform also offers flexibility, letting you learn at your own pace, pause lessons, and revisit any content anytime. Now let's talk about the learning experience. One of the positives is that classes are very well structured and visually appealing. The instructors share personal stories, professional tips, and sometimes behind-the-scenes insights that you can't easily find elsewhere. For beginners, this can be very motivating and provide a sense of connection to the expert. However, there are a few things to consider before committing. MasterClass is not a substitute for hands-on practice or deep technical training. If you are looking to master a skill in a practical, step-by-step way, some classes may feel more like inspiration than instruction. Also, because it's pre-recorded content, there is no real-time interaction with instructors, which may be a downside for learners who thrive on feedback. From a user experience perspective, MasterClass is very polished. The app and website are intuitive, lessons stream smoothly, and subtitles are available in multiple languages. You can even download classes for offline viewing, which is convenient for learning on the go. Overall, MasterClass is an excellent platform if you're looking for high-quality, inspirational learning from world-class experts. It's especially valuable for those who enjoy self-paced exploration across a variety of topics. On the flip side, if you're searching for intensive, hands-on training or personalized guidance, it may not fully meet your needs. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.